Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something different again because I do something different every time now. No, some people, some of my mates, some people in the comments have been asking for a setup tool. So I thought, why not do a setup tool? Next 2 weeks it's done a change drastically, but for now, I'm showing you what it's like. But soon I should be getting 2 monitors, fingers crossed. But for now, I'll show you. So should we switch over? Ready? Watch this transition. 3, 2, 1. Hello! I'm on here now. On my phone. So, hang on. Let's do this. Blimey now. So, today I'm going to show you my setup. Are you ready? It's not big. Let's turn my chair on. So, here's my monitor. There's that. There's my PS4. I only use my PS4 to watch YouTube now, and my good old Samsung trusty TV and my LEDs. But yeah, I only use my PS4. That's my fan. You can probably hear all the time. That's Stan. I'm really bad with setup tools. Here's my mouse. It is a power mouse. I can't remember, but here's my keyboard. It's a GXT. I forgot the name of it now. It's a GXT Trust. Wow. GX Trust. It's a mechanical keyboard, 60% or 80%. I think that's it. 80% keyboard, mechanical. Sounds alright. I like it. Oh Christ. Then this is shame there's no ultra wide. Well, there is, but I hadn't got on that mode. So that's my wheel. It's a Thrustmaster T128, as it says in my description on YouTube. So yeah, that's my Thrustmaster, and my pedals are down there. Let's focus. Pedals are down there. It's only 2 sets, but they're not bad pedals. The brake's got a bit of pressure. You don't really know because you can't feel them. But there's my amp for my speakers. I have, in total, I got now 9 speakers. It's a bit overkill, but yeah. There's my PC, my Lenovo. It's got a Super, single fan, I think. No, it's dual fan. A i5 11400F, 16 gig DDR4 RAM, run at 3200 megahertz. It's got 1.5 terabytes of storage. I added the terabyte storage with a hard drive. It's got, what did I say? Yeah, it's got USB-C and stuff on the front. It's just generic gaming PC, to be honest. Not too flashy, but it's got a little light. Sorry about the words. Little light. But yeah, hang on. There's 2 of my speakers. I won't show you all of it. There's me. Well, there's my wonderful bed. How comfy. There's my picture you see in the background. But yeah, hang on. There we go. Don't want you seeing all the stuff. But yeah, that's my screen. It's not a bad screen. It's 75 Hz. But what I want to do is this one. Goodbye. Nuts. This one, goodbye. And I want to get a 165 Hz Asus. This is only 75 Hz, so not a good Asus. That's 150 quid, so not bad. It's on sale at the minute. Then over this bit here, can't see it all, but over this bit here, don't worry, I'm covering my Wi-Fi. Over this bit here, I want to get a 21-inch because then I can have a portrait. Yes, portrait. Get my bearings then. Portrait mode. So then I can have my camera when I'm recording, or Spotify when I'm listening to music, or Discord even when I'm playing other games. So yeah, I want to do that because it'll make my life hella easy. At the minute you have to keep changing tabs and that. And on OMSI 2, when you change tabs, I don't know if you knew, well, if you know if you have the game, when you go back, you have to click off the wheel back onto the wheel, and then it gets force feedback back. Otherwise, beforehand, it's really shit. So yeah, well, I'm going to end the video on my phone because my phone's got better recording camera. So yeah, this is only 1080p 60 fps. I haven't put in 4K because I can't I can process in 4K on my PC, but I have to pay for premium. Ooh, I'm not doing that. I ain't paying that. Bloody rip off. £8 a month it is as well, just to do 4K and get like extra stuff. I'm like, no thanks. They can go and shove that. But yeah. Well, that was my setup tool. It's not a big setup, but I'll do another one later on if you lot want me to. Oh, actually, there is one thing I forgot. Oh, hang on. Here's my chair. Sorry about the cushion. I got bad back, so, well, yeah. I got the cushion. It has speakers in it too. I ain't playing anything today. Actually, go on then, I'll play quickly something. Only for a second though, because it will have a go at me. Actually, bigger brain idea. Hang on, sorry, it's bloody. There we go. I kind of broke it by my fat ass being on it, but it has got good bass when you sit on it. But yeah, it's got the music. Actually, this is not copyright. So yeah, it's got that music. It's not bad. Hang on. Hang on. Sorry, I need to do this to play. There we go. I need my knee on it. Oh my god, focus. Come on. I need my knee on it. Because that's my fat ass for you. Christ alive. But yeah. Wow. I'll record it like that now. Oh, I'm stood up. So I hope you enjoyed that setup tool. Oh wow, 5 minutes. Christ, I blab on, don't I? I'm still blabbing on. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like button. Hopefully I can get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I did say 1,000, but that's a bit optimistic. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. And if you did, please subscribe. And I shall see you next time. Bye. Sorry guys about that end bit. I'm just doing it later now. But sorry about the whole video, I mean. Because I had it in the wrong mode, didn't I? I had it in landscape, portrait, landscape, I don't bloody know, upright. And I had it in the wrong mode the whole video. I can't be able to make it again. So, sorry about that, but next time I do one, I'll do it in the right mode. Don't know why, I was doing my head thinking Snapchat or TikTok even. If I post on TikTok, actually, TikTok. No, if I post on TikTok. But anyway, thank you for watching, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.